Alveoli is correct. Oh my goodness. What was that? 3 points?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. No, Sherry. Don't.
Team Squidward.
Squidwards. 1, 2.
Fantastic.
Team Margin. 5 for 5. For 5 points. The amount of air that we breathe beyond our tidal volume would be this term. The amount of air that we breathe beyond the tidal volume would be this volume of air. What term am I referring to? 20 seconds. This volume of air above or beyond our tidal volume is this volume.
Inspiring reserve volume.
Inspiratory reserve volume is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, Team Martin back in the game. Team Martin to the B team. This hormone that is found in high quantities in males is mainly responsible for muscle mass maintenance or synthesis. 5-point question, yes it was.
Oh gosh. Really, Coach Obi?
You gotta get back in the game.
It's okay. They had to get back in the game. It's
Get back in
alright.
the game.
It's alright.
Glad to see it that way. Squidwards, what's your wager? You guys
We're
have
gonna go with 3.
3 points, gets you to 16. All right. This class of nutrient we need in large quantities to handle our activities of daily living. The
Macronutrients.
Macronutrients is correct. How many points is that?
3.
3. Fantastic. 1.
I know.
2, 3. All right, 16 points to them. Muscle mind.
Yeah, we're just gonna do 5.
5? All right.
Yeah, we're
Wow.
online.
All right. Let's get back. Get back.
Can you give us more about the master?
This is a term that we use interchangeably with the sleep-wake cycle. 20 seconds. This is a term that we use interchangeably with the sleep-wake cycle. You guys have the first teal.
Wait, how much time do they have now?
20 seconds.
No, it was 20 seconds like 15 seconds ago.
I'll give you 10 seconds. This term can be used interchangeably with the sleep-wake cycle. 3, 2, circadian rhythm is correct. Right in the nick of time.
Where's the timer?
That was how many? 5, right?
I wasn't even looking for
1,
it.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, get you guys 13 points. Woo, going for 5. Getting closer and closer to that 20-point target. Alrighty. Okay. This hormone is responsible for our sperm, or for the ladies, egg production.
Wait, what was the question again?
This hormone is responsible for our sperm for the males and egg production for the women.
FSH.
FSH or
Follicle
stimulating hormone is correct. Team Martin, 5 points. Uh-oh, they're 1 point away from the win. Oh, wait. B. It's not over yet. Going for broke, going for 5. Full send?
Full send.
Full send? All right. All right. Let's get a good question here. Chapter 7, chapter 8. You never know where it can come from. You never know. You never know. This class of vessels are the thinnest of vessels and is the site of gas exchange throughout the body. This class of blood vessel are the thinnest and is the site of gas exchange.
We'll still Coach Obi.
All right, first, second.
You said vessels, right?
Yes. This class of vessels is the thinnest and is the site of gas exchange. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Capillaries?
Capillaries is correct! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Let's go.
Love it.
It's
intense. Heart rates are going up, huh? Again, your sympathetic nervous system is in high working order right now. Okay, this is for the Squidward team. You have 16 points. You're trying to get to 20. What is your wager? 4. 4 points. For the win. For the win. This is the amount of blood left in the ventricle after contraction. 20 seconds. You got 20 seconds to answer. Give us a volume of blood.
End diastolic volume?
The amount of blood left in the ventricle after the contraction. End diastolic volume is incorrect. No.
You answer. Why? You answer a lot. We didn't even collaborate.
4.
We didn't even collaborate yet.
What's the steal? What's the steal?
Oh, that's a bluff.
Yo, that wasn't wrong. Was that wrong?
That was wrong. End diastolic volume, the amount of blood that's in the heart after or in the ventricle after the contraction, that is an incorrect statement. That's an incorrect term. You guys ever steal? Oh, okay, Team Martin, I'm going to take 2 points away. Anybody else?
That's mine.
Anybody else? It was so close. End systolic volume.
Oh, it's right here. Look.
End systolic volume.
I said.
Oh. Oh.
He said, is that what he said too? I said
Yes.
Diastolic. Yeah, that's wrong. End systolic.
Oh my god.
Remember, systole is when the heart contracts. Diastole is when the heart is relaxed. Okay? Cool.
You guys
That
are
was
gonna
your
get that
question.
right on the test for sure.
So let's go into muscle mom. You guys have 13? Wait.
They answered. Nobody answered.
I know.
Oh, no,
We're next?
Yeah. You next on this? What's your wager?
3.
3? Yeah. All right. That'd be conservative. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. One of the jobs of the endocrine system is to bring the body back to balance once a disturbance or something that takes us away from homeostasis occurs. So what's the term that describes the body bringing us, or describes the endocrine system's ability to bring us back to balance. An example would be if we walk into a warm room and our temperature rises above 98 degrees, we'll start to sweat in order to return back to that 98 degree set point. What process am I describing? What mechanism am I describing? Who had a steal?
Nobody.
No, it's
What mechanism? What do you mean? What do you mean what mechanism?
Oh, it's one of them. It's definitely one of them.
What mechanism? Like an actual tool?
The mechanism that describes all the processes that the endocrine system undergoes to bring the body back to balance once a deviation or disturbance has occurred. It's So if our body gets too warm, there's going to be some reactions that take place that bring our body temperature back down. If our glucose levels go up, there's going to be a series of reactions and hormones that get released so that we can bring our blood sugar back to normal levels. What process am I describing? I'll give you 10 seconds. 3, 2, positive feedback is
Negative feedback.
Gotta know your first answer.
That was a good one.
Positive feedback? Incorrect.
What is it, Chris?
What is still?
Was it not just feedback systems? Or
Is that your still?
yeah,
And your answer is
feedback systems.
feedback system?
Yeah.
Still. Negative feedback.
Negative feedback.
There we go.
Negative feedback. Negative feedback.
That is good for
I do it.
Negative feedback. We're gonna, gotta stay consistent. Alright, so Squidward, you guys get 2 points. Alright, so you guys have 14. That was your question. So you guys are going for 3. For the win.
You were right there.
Dun, dun, dun.
For the win.
I thought you were good.
For the win, folks. For the win, folks. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. The collection of trillions of microbes that inhabit the human body is called this. The trillions of microbes that inhabit the human body, specifically in our gut, that helps us with digestion.
Probiotic? No, I'm sorry.
Say it again.
Probiotics.
I accept. Probiotics.
Oh.
The microbiome, which has a class of a series of probiotics that helps with our digestion, all that good gut bacteria. Boom, boom. Team marks it. That was chapter 10, by the way. And you guys get your 5 points of extra credit. So Team Martin +5. Give a round of applause. Great job. Well done. Great game. All right, everybody. Let's take a long break.
Yeah, I can do